Prepare fresh ingredients. Once you have processed the ingredients, place them in their corresponding areas. Putting the ingredients grid on the robotic arm. Place the sauce compartment in place as well. Tap the screen to select the cooking method. The machine will start to heat up the pot automatically. The machine comes with a variety of seasonings. Tap the screen to add. When the oil is at the right temperature, tap the numbers on the screen. The machine will add the ingredients in the grid for cooking. Add the onions from grid 3. Add seasoning. You can choose the type and amount. The fryer will automatically add what you set. Add the vegetables from grid 2. The machine is constantly stirring at high temperatures. Add the curry cubes at the end. Reduce the sauce over high heat. The machine will record the person's actions. Save the recipe and it will be fully automated next time. A delicious chicken curry is ready. Follow the same steps to stir fry, pad thai, and Thai shrimp curry.
와, 무서워.
All 3 dishes were cooked by the Smart Stir Fryer, rich in color and flavor. The machine also comes with a cleaning function. Save time and effort.